7 shortcuts which make your life easy. First one is F2. F2 helps you to quickly edit the cell value without using cursor. Next one is Ctrl up arrow, which takes your cursor to the extreme top cell of the tracker. Third one is Ctrl left arrow, which helps you take your cursor to the extreme left side of the tracker. Fourth is Ctrl Shift L. This is a very useful shortcut to add filters and remove filters quickly. Fifth one is Ctrl down arrow, which takes your cursor to the end of the tracker. This really helps you when you want to add a new record to the tracker. Sixth one is Alt plus is equal to. This helps you to sum up the entire column numbers. So understand this only works for the numeric value. Seventh one, which is the last one, is Alt down arrow. This gives you a automatic download from whatever values are mentioned in the tracker so that you can avoid spelling errors. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video has helped you, please give us a like so that we can understand that this kind of a content is really helping you. And if you have not followed us, please follow us so that you do not miss on the important tips and formulas that we're going to share ahead. Until then, thank you so much and bye-bye.